Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a video on how long does the batteries last on a drone. We're here live in the sky with the drone, and yes, there are a few rain clouds headed toward our way, but other than that, everything seems to be looking pretty good. I mean, we are definitely far from the ground at the moment, and the drone is doing well. Now that you have seen the quick video footage of the drone flying, let's go ahead and get into the battery aspect of this drone. Now this drone here is a cheaper version of drones. It does fly very well. And here we have, I'm sorry about the lighting, but here we have two batteries. Now each battery is set to last at least 10 minutes apiece. So here you see we have a aircraft battery, and it's 3.7 volts, and whatever all the other stuff is. And I know online it was 10 minutes, but now it takes, as you see, 120 minutes to charge it. And so that's about, so if you want to charge both of these batteries, you're looking at about 4 hours of charging time total. Now the downfall of that would be that this is your charging station. So yes, the drone would have to be plugged in with the battery installed for it to be able to charge. So even if you had an extra 2 batteries, you still would have to have this stationary to be able to charge the drone. I'm going to go ahead and install one of the batteries. Now I did take the drone out flying today, and I used one battery. The other battery I did not use because it was super windy outside. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to see that video on how this drone flies in the wind. Well, when it's super windy outside. So let's go ahead. Hopefully I plug in the right battery. The one that's not empty or drained. So I'll go ahead and just power it up. Just so if you're new to the channel, you can see what the drone looks like turned on. So you have your nice lights, as you see, is blue and white. And they turn red until the controller is connected. As you see, that's step 1, 2, 3. There you go. Just that simple. Now this is not a GPS drone, so all you have to do is actually just, those few steps, and boom, it's ready to go. Actually, put the camera, we'll try to put the control on this side, and we're gonna hit this button. Go. Also, if you're wondering, so let's say you put the wrong battery in that you didn't charge. Right now I'm using my camera on the phone, but there's an app and it lets you see how much charge the battery has. So when you're flying, you don't have it, far off and then the battery is about to go out. That's a great thing to have and to know. So let me know what you guys think about the video as far as what do you think about the battery setup. Like I personally, for the price it's fine, but for another drone I would definitely try to get it to where these can charge without the drone being plugged up, because you can order extra batteries and you can fly. Now about the batteries, as far as how long do they last, you're good for about 8 minutes, and that's 8 minutes because you have to run your camera. You try, I like to run the camera to make sure I keep up with the drone, and that takes, a charge, well, that drains the power too. So now if you can fly without the camera on, but me personally, I just still fly anyway, because I believe you have to disconnect this camera for it to not drain the power, so you might as well go ahead and use it while it's connected. So you're good for about 8 minutes. So that's about 16 minutes of flying time, but it takes 4 hours to charge. So that's but 16 minutes or 15 to 16 minutes is fine. You may be able to get the whole 10 minutes out of the battery. That's if the weather is perfect, it's not too not windy at all. I want to say that the heat somewhat drains the battery too, because sometimes when it comes back down from the switch batteries, it is super warm, so that could cause it to drain some also. But definitely, weather conditions play a factor, and if you're using the camera, that just how you flying it. Are you flying it on full speed, or are you just cruising it, you know, on one? And of course, to fly it on one, it doesn't need to be that much wind outside. And like I said, I'll get into that on the next video of how to, you know, how it does when it's windy outside and the speeds. Well, on that, thank you for watching the channel. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.